Have you ever wanted to start a side hustle but feel like all of them are designed for super social and outgoing people? You're not alone. If you're like me and you have those days when you absolutely hate people, this video is for you. Okay, jokes aside, not everyone wants to spend their days talking on the phone, doing Zoom calls, or just working with clients in general. And if you're more introverted and you prefer working quietly and on your own terms, in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 introvert-friendly side hustles that you can start today. These side hustles will allow you to earn money without constantly being on. All right, let's jump in. Number 1 on our list is freelance writing. Freelance writing is probably one of the most introvert-friendly side hustles because all you really need is your laptop and the ability to explain things clearly. I know it seems like AI is replacing most of the writing jobs, but as someone who is actually a creative recruiter and I literally recruit copywriters for a living most days, I can tell you that there is very much still a demand for talented writers. And now as a writer, you don't necessarily have to write like novels and books. As a writer, you can work on things like blog posts, product descriptions, website copy, or ghostwriting. It really depends on the style that you like. And no, you don't need a journalism or an English degree. You just need solid writing skills. So if you enjoy writing, you can always get writing gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where clients are constantly looking for copywriters. However, you don't even need to rely on clients to be able to earn money from writing. You can also start writing on platforms like medium.com, which I've actually covered quite a few times on this channel. It is a platform where you can get paid based on the number of reads and the time that people spend reading your content, which Medium tends to be a good platform for like blogs, maybe short stories, or article style writing. I've personally been earning money on medium.com for the last few months. Obviously, I'm not a professional writer and I just mostly repurpose a lot of my YouTube content and turn them into blog posts and post on Medium, but I've seen some people make thousands of dollars off the medium.com platform by creating relatively short articles. So once again, if that's something you're interested in, could be a great way to earn money on your own terms and it won't really require you to talk to people all day. So if you're looking for a super chill, introvert-friendly side hustle that you can do from your couch or from the comfort of your own home, and where you can just get paid for your opinions, the next side hustle is going to be the perfect option for you. So the platform that you can utilize is called userinterviews.com. And if you've never heard of them before, it's one of the easiest ways to make extra income each month without having to deal with customers, sell anything, or even leave your house. So here's how it works. User Interviews connects you with researchers and companies who need real feedback on products, websites, apps, or even business ideas before they launch. There's a huge variety of topics available, anything from everyday topics like testing a new app or a website to career-focused interviews that could help shape workplace products. So the part that I like the most is, unlike a lot of other survey platforms where you get like, I don't know, $2 to $3 per survey, these sites actually pay you anywhere from $20 to sometimes over $200, depending on the length and the complexity of the study. The study is also available in over 36 different countries, which is great news for all of my international viewers. I know my viewers are always asking me if a website or an app that I cover is available in your countries. And if you want to check if there's anything available where you are right now, make sure to use my link down below. Now, as you can see from this list, there are quite a few studies available right now. Yes, you do have to apply for them and you're not going to be eligible for every single one of them, but just given the variety of different studies available here, I'm sure you can find something that would fit your background. Now, in terms of the format of these studies, some of them are going to be one-on-one interviews, but there are also quite a few unmoderated tasks that you can just do from your computer, and all you really need is a laptop and a webcam. So this platform is perfect for introverts because you can just get a lot of it done from your home and you don't constantly have to be on or talking to people unless you want to do the one-on-one interviews. It's laid back, you can do it from home, and I just generally think it's a great way to make extra money while you're watching Netflix or enjoying your morning coffee. Now, in terms of the payment methods, you can get paid via PayPal, direct deposit, or digital gift cards. And yes, signing up is completely free, so make sure to use my link down below. Okay, so let's say you want to be creative and you want to stay introverted, but you prefer something a little bit more visual. This next side hustle is also perfect for visually creative introverts. And the side hustle is print on demand. So if you're not familiar, print on demand is the business model where you can create your own graphics, quotes, or any visuals and upload them on platforms like Redbubble or TeePublic. And you can put your designs or artwork on things like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, a lot of different things. The best part is that when you're doing print on demand, you have a third-party company like, once again, Redbubble or TeePublic, or you also can upload them on Etsy using a platform like Printify. If you're interested in Printify, I actually do have a discount code for you guys down below, so make sure to check it out. So pretty much when someone buys a design or a t-shirt or, you know, whatever your design is on, the third-party company will print and ship those products directly to the customer, and you won't have to worry about anything, which makes this a pretty passive stream of income. And the best part is that you don't have to deal with inventory, and most importantly, you don't have to talk to customers. Those third-party platforms will handle all of that for you. All you have to focus on is creating designs and maybe doing a little bit of marketing. Now, when it comes to designs, you guessed it, you can also outsource this to AI because a lot of these platforms actually have built-in AI features. So I previously created an entire Printify tutorial. If you're interested, I'll include that video in one of these corners as well as in the description box down below. So the part that I love about this side hustle is that you can be creative without having to interact with customers or having to worry about shipping and fulfillment. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to look into the side hustle. Okay, so you're probably wondering, Christina, if I'm not a very creative type and I just want to do something that, you know, is straightforward and doesn't require a lot of brain power or a lot of creativity. In that case, the next side hustle might be the perfect fit for you: data entry and online research. So there are plenty of companies and small businesses that need help with repetitive tasks such as data entry, filling out forms, dealing with spreadsheets, and doing online research. This type of side hustle requires two main skills: attention to detail and focus, the two qualities that introverts excel at. So platforms like Upwork or Clickworker are perfect places to go if you're looking for these types of roles. Yes, it may not be like the flashiest or the most exciting type of work, but these gigs are simple and don't require a ton of skill or experience. So this is a great introvert-friendly side hustle that you should check out. So with that said, let's move on to the next one, which is blogging and creating niche websites. So this one is going to be slightly different from just freelance writing, because with this side hustle, you can really niche down and earn money through things like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or Google AdSense. Pretty much instead of personal blogs where you kind of focus on, you know, topics that are specific to you or your life, the focus now is on niche websites. Sites that answer very specific questions that people are looking for, such as travel tips, product reviews, or things like pet care. By creating SEO-friendly blog content that solves people problems or answers questions, you can gradually grow your website, increase the traffic, and once again, and make money through things like I mentioned before, affiliate marketing, AdSense, or even brand sponsorships. Eventually, you can even do things like sell your own digital products such as courses, ebooks, or digital guides, and create content that solves problems without being on camera or having to talk to anyone. Sounds like a win-win to me. Plus, as you grow your niche website, this can become a great source of passive income. Oh, and speaking of passive income, the next side hustle is perfect if you love making money passively. Now, in this day and age, there are plenty of apps that will pay you to do simple everyday tasks such as share your internet, track your steps, or even run ads on your phone. So for example, I've previously covered some of the passive income apps such as Honeygain and Pawns that allow you to share your unused internet and make some passive income every single month. You can also use apps like Kaden, where you get paid for doing things like watching Netflix, driving around, or even share what you spend your money on. Now, I know that one is not for everyone, but if you love getting paid doing something you're already doing, these apps could be a perfect way to make some passive income from your daily activities. Now, as I mentioned in a lot of my previous videos where I covered these types of apps, they're not going to replace your full-time job. They're just a fun way to make extra money for, I don't know, coffee or something fun every single month. But either way, they're a great way to get paid for something that you're already doing. So pretty much the key takeaway is that being an introvert doesn't limit your options. You just need to look in a different direction. Even though I seem like a very extroverted person, I do have a lot of introverted moments, and sometimes I don't want to be on a call or on camera and I just want to be on my phone or my laptop in complete silence, and that is okay. Let's normalize this. So if you're an introvert, I highly recommend that you check out these 5 side hustles. Also, let me know in the comments down below which one sounds most interesting to you. to. And also if you like this video, I actually think you're going to like this one as well. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!